July 2nd, and we are going to be doing the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. We did it last year for my 5-year-old, and she is 6, and she wanted to do it again, and I think it's such a fantastic experience, especially if you have an imaginative, likes to do dress up experience. So I'm going to show you the full experience, getting all Bibbidi Bobbidi up. So follow along. Landon's a little zombie watching. Oh, she looks so cute. Daddy fit check. That's what the kids call it. Very Mickey. I love it. And magical Mom Laura. Checking in with my new skirt with the castle. And Crocs. Let's go to Magic Kingdom. See any buses? 9:52 for Magic Kingdom. Woohoo! Let's go! You know I want a picture first at the castle. It's not quite time for Bibbidi Bobbidi, so we're gonna get a castle pic and then maybe get a snack. A picture in front of this beautiful castle. Yeah, you're gonna do it. Landon, I want a picture in front of the castle.
How about I ride the carousel first?
Woo!
Can I go now?
It says we have 2 minutes.
How?
2 minutes waiting.
Oh, there's no potty on trolley. Remember, there's no potty in Bibbidi Bobbidi.
That's okay.
Are you ready? Let's Bibbidi Bobbidi this. Go ahead in. Wow, the signature collection.
Queen.
Queen Landon?
No, Queen Elena. I want to go to
What we're going to call you today.
Queen Landon. Let's see, the royal packages. Aurora. Well, let's look here first. So, oh wow, they've added another one, Daddy,
When is the other one?
for $450.
Where is that one?
That seems a little too fancy, yeah.
I want to.
I think this is what you want, right? The deluxe?
Yeah.
Or a Disney gown?
I think I want a ponytail.
Can you see anything?
I want to pick out my dress.
I think it's, so these are the fancy dresses.
Oh, what's this?
Fancy dresses.
No, what princess?
Aurora. I think it's the castle package you want.
What's this?
Anna, Ariel, Aurora, Belle, Cinderella, Elsa, Jasmine, Moana, Mulan, Rapunzel, Snow White, Tiana, Tinkerbell. Do they have Elena?
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh no,
Mirabelle and Isabella.
there's no Elena.
No, there's no Elena. How about that nice Aurora one?
No, I saw Elena. I saw Elena.
Let's ask. Oh, they do. It's just not in here. Okay.
See, I saw it last time in Elsa.
So we'll do the castle package with Elena, unless you want one of these. Yeah, those up there are like the $450. Yeah, the signature collection. It's a pretty Cinderella dress. Lucifer. That's pretty. And look, there's all the thread up there. Someone special in the mirror. Remember in the dressing room?
Fairy godmother.
I know. It's my favorite part. Yeah, it's taken a while. It's been 10 minutes.
You clean them. My name is Jenny. It's nice to meet you. We're gonna come right this way. Do we know what package we're gonna be getting?
Elena, so the castle package.
Okay, perfect. I can do that right this way. Here's Elena.
I'll take a second.
Yes, it looks like we have just one left. Look at that.
I got.
Okay, she's holding it, honey.
And then let's go to, you said Isabella,
Oh, I'll
right?
take the crown.
Comes with the crown, and it comes with the dress.
Pretty dress.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Can't find her size.
Wait, this is my
Is
size.
she size 5? That's a large, sweetie.
She's size 6.
Okay, I'm gonna have to go to the back and see if we have her size.
No, I
Oh
can
my
take
gosh.
one.
This happened last
Right now,
time.
okay?
It fits.
Lan, it's way too big for you.
No, it's not.
It is, honey.
Oh,
Oh! Did I have it?
This is a size medium. So we have medium or an extra small. I think she runs a little big. So let's try to make.
Can we try it on?
Yeah, you can try both.
Okay.
Yes!
I think a medium. What's the size? Is that
So
6,
that's like a 7/8.
7, 8?
Medium.
It's gonna be a little big, but it should work.
Let's
Yeah.
see this one.
That's too small.
You think so?
Yeah.
Do you have a ponytail like Elena? Ponytail?
Well, these are the hairstyles we have because we work for the fairy godmother. They only teach us certain ones. I'll be back, okay?
Okay.
This.
You did that last time. Are you sure you want to do that?
I sure.
you do a different one this time.
Wait, pink. Pink.
That one's kind of cool.
That's a new one.
Can I have pink?
Yeah.
It's a ponytail too. Just like Elena.
I.
Oh, look, they have braids in there, Landon, to go around your bun. Or a big
I
bun.
don't want any of these.
Okay.
This.
You're not going to be able to wear the tiara, though.
Uh,
So these are all the flowers. So if you went with one of these, they could put your tiara in.
I'll take this.
That one with the tiara? Oh, wait, I think this is the tiara, right? How about a bun with a tiara? With a Elena tiara?
This.
Okay.
This.
Right in front of the mirror right here. You can have a seat right there, queen. Let me play with your hair, queen. Oh, she's the queen. I forgot. You're a queen, aren't you? Queen
She is a
Elena?
queen.
You surely
No,
do
you're
have
my
beautiful-
servant.
She's your
Oh.
servant. So she's not your queen? She's not the queen's queen?
I'm the queen and she's my servant.
I'm queen mother. How about
She's
a
the
queen mother?
Would you want double ears instead? What do you think, double ears? Or what about the beard? No? Okay, we'll stick with the enchanted. I'm gonna leave so you can get her dress. Do
Okay.
you want to help me with the magic words?
Oh.
Do you know what they are?
Please say one.
Yes, please use your wand. Do you know what the magic words are?
Baby.
Very good. On the count of 3, are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo!
Woo! And get her dress.
Oh, hello, my dear. Oh, you're growing as fast as a pumpkin. Now, today is going to be a very special day for you. So, let's get things started with, oh, dear me. What did I do with that magic wand?
Sing you.
Let's see, no. Oh, of course. Now, you know the magic words, don't you, dear?
Do you know it?
Bibbidi Bobbidi
Boo.
Yes, I will catch you. To make your dreams come true. Then hurry along, my dear. Your fairy godmother apprentice is waiting for you.
Wow, Landon. All right, let's get dressed. She look pretty. So we pay up here?
Yeah, she can sit with Dad if she
Okay.
wants, and I'll keep you with her. Unless she wants to
I
stay.
know. I was shocked that she wanted Elena. What is this for sale?
Yeah, so this comes with the carriage package, the t-shirt, but you can buy the t-shirt.
Being a princess is hard work, isn't it?
You mean a queen?
A queen, a queen.
It looks like this.
Oh, it's on the dress?
That's one except for Elena. She used to have one, and then he got trapped inside it, and Sophia found it, and then she freed it, and then Leif gave the amulet to her.
Oh, that's why there's no amulet on the dress? That's you.
Of course. Glow.
Wow.
Magical! Are you ready to head to the castle? I think you are. You're leaving.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Your hair, gonna do your makeup, gonna do your nails. It's kind of exciting. Oh my goodness, I love your Queen Elena dress. Is she your favorite? Have you ever been to the castle before?
Yeah.
Have? Oh my goodness. Okay.
I didn't here for breakfast, and I've been here last night.
Hi. Thank you.
Welcome back. You're like an expert then. This is gonna be your Oh no, are you okay?
What happened?
She said her tiara fell in her nose.
Oh, baby. You have a queen injury? Are you
Okay,
okay?
here, we'll put the crown here instead while I work on your hair, okay?
Nasty red bump. It will.
Take this in your hair. You have a donut.
If you really
You're ready. It's just for fun. They're your servants. You can upgrade it from royal family to royal servants.
Oh, is that an upgrade?
I mean, I don't know. That sounds like an upgrade.
A downgrade.
Servant sounds like a job. Maybe you'll get a paycheck. You'd have to talk to Queen Landon about that.
Some benefits.
That's outside my jurisdiction. I'm still in school.
I'm so glad she did that bun and not that terrible Oh no, not glitter. Anything but glitter.
on my face.
No. Be still like a statue for.
Oh, this is not an amulet. It's a magic brooch. This is what has all my hair magic in it. It's from Fairy Godmother. Don't worry, it's not an amulet.
Oh wow, Landon.
Sparkly tiara. Do you like it? Like I said, you're gonna get double crowns today.
Wow.
Keep your head super still for a second, okay? You get to make another wish, okay, princess? What do you think you're gonna wish for? I mean, you already have a million servants, and you already have a palace, and you already have a mermaid tail that's a rainbow.
How about to meet Elena later?
Ooh, that would be a really good wish, because you two are gonna be like twins
You
today.
will be.
Your eyes closed. I've got to put my shadow on the other eye.
Close your eyes. Oh, it's looking beautiful.
Your cheeks are going to be. Isn't that magical?
That's so cute in the back.
I know, it's a cloud.
Oh, don't look! No peeking! No peeking.
Perfect. You want to zoom on your Bibbidi cheek or your Bobbidi cheek? Bibbidi, that's a good decision. Let me come over here, Bibbidi.
Oh.
Before I give it to you, though, I have to add a little bitty detail. So Minnie Mouse was the absolute queen of bows. She says no opinion. So she comes to the castle and she gives us a class and she tells filmmaking 101 so you can learn how to make the perfect bow on all of our princess sashes. Bibbidi, Bobbidi, Boo. They all live in delicious dreams forever and always come true. Bibbidi, Bobbidi. Alright, are you ready to take a look at you? Let's get you in a princess pose. Can you cross your ankles for me? Can you put your hands on top of each other in the middle of your lap? Now close your eyes and you're going to open them when I say boo. Ready? Bibbidi, Bobbidi, Boo. Queen Landon, look at you. What do you think? Would you like to see yourself in the mirror over here? Look at all that beautiful makeup and that beautiful flower.
Yeah.
And look at that little booty in the back.
Sorry.
See him?
Wow. Yeah. Thank you.
All right, so So do you still want to be Queen Landon, or do you want me to announce you as Queen Elena?
Queen Elena.
Alright, so stay seated. I'm going to turn you around, okay? Attention, royal family and royal servants. Presenting to Cinderella's castle for the first time ever from the Kingdom of Avalor, Queen Elena!
You look so beautiful, honey.
Alright, Queen Landon, so I have this Bibbidi Bobbidi bag for you. I'm going to give you your makeup and your pixie polish. Would you like to hold it, or do you want me to pass it off to your servants? Alright, can I see your left arm? And now your right arm? And are you ready to have a princess parade as we leave? So I have one more magic trick for you. We gotta do it outside, okay? Can you
All right.
Can you give a big royal wave to everybody in the castle?
Oh, beautiful. Thank you.
Alright, Queen Landon, I need your help with your magic wand, okay? Do you hear that in this box I have a pumpkin seed, right? I don't want to give you a pumpkin seed though. That's not a very good present for a Queen of Avalor, right? So can you help me by waving your magic wand, and we'll say those magic words from my fairy godmother? Ready?
Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo.
It's a pumpkin carriage just for you!
Beautiful.
Alright, I'm gonna give this to you.
I think it should have a little bit more spark.
A little bit more sparkle. Let's see, can you make it
Mine
sparkly?
open it. Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo.
Did that give
Oh.
it all the sparkle it needs? Yeah? Alright, Queen Landon, you are all set.
Can you say thank you to Teresa?
Thank you.
You're so welcome. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.
Thank you very
Going
much.
next door, right?
Yes, we are. Grab some stuff. Thank you so much.
You're here to choose a donut in there? I want a donut in my hair.
I do
You
too.
eat that one too? It looks like a vanilla one. And it even has sprinkles on it. That means it's like the best donut in the whole world, isn't it? What's your name? Is it actually Elena? Landon. Okay, that's pretty close, I guess. Maybe we can smile together. Do you want to come join us?
Yeah. Landon,
There.
did you love it?
Yeah.
How much was it for like $2.25?
It was
280.
Was it really?
No,
Bibbidi
230.
Bobbidi.
I don't remember.
I think it was $2.25 and then
Bibbidi
some tax.
Bobbidi, I'm a princess.
Did you love it?
I'm a princess.
It was amazing, and you got this mini pin in the back, your crown, your Elena crown, your sash, your dress, your necklace, your
My-
makeup,
My
bag.
scepter. I'll give
Oh, and the scepter.
Magic of
It
Avalor.
was a very magical day, wasn't it?
Yeah, and Elena was the popular choice, oddly enough.
Yeah, it was like 4 other Elenas there. It was crazy.
Clearly, Disney needs to bring that one back for some more episodes.
I think so. Say thanks for watching,
Thanks
everyone.
for watching. Bye.
You're doing Bibbidi Bobbidi on the Disney cruise next. You're just a little Bibbidi Bobbidi girl. Our strategy is just let the pool wash out the Bibbidi Bobbidi hair.
It says, it feels like straw here because that Elsa freeze spray.
Yeah. Is that what she called it? Elsa freeze spray?
Freezes your hair.
A couple quick tips. They have PhotoPass photographers that go throughout and take photos. So getting that package is a good idea. And then after, you can go across to the PhotoPass studio and serve Mickey's. The earlier you get there, the better. It does tend to get backed up later in the day. Going to Cinderella's royal table for lunch was perfect. We went right from Bibbidi Bobbidi, and she met so many princesses.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.